Today I'm going to show you how to eat a mango. So let's go and make some magic with fruit. I don't know about you, but when I buy mango from the store and it's already chopped up, it just tastes disgusting. That's because it's old, it's been sat there a long time, and old fruit just doesn't taste nice. There is nothing nicer than a freshly chopped mango. If you've never had a mango that you've chopped yourself, you are missing out. So today I'm going to show you how to eat a mango, because not only is it so much nicer, but it's actually much cheaper than buying the mango that's already chopped up, and it's way better for your health because all of the nutrients are already intact. So before you even cut into your mango, you need to make sure that your mango is ripe, and I've got videos that will explain how to tell if a mango is ripe and how to cut a mango, but today I'm just explaining how to eat a mango. So if you're sure that your mango is definitely ripe, what you need to do is get a chopping board out and a knife, turn it on its head, make sure you're holding it safely and securely, and then cut off the cheeks individually. The sides of the mango are called the cheeks. And then what you can do is you can simply take a spoon and just make little circles with the spoon and then just eat it like that. And if you want to get all of the mango off the skin, you can just take your spoon and slide it down the skin, and then the mango flesh will come out very easily. And if your mango is truly ripe, it's actually much easier to use a spoon to get the mango off the flesh than it is to use a knife, because a knife can get a bit slippy and you're not going to hurt yourself if you use a spoon. Here's another great way to eat a mango. This method is perfect if you don't even have a spoon, you don't have any tools at all. You can just eat this on the go. They say that fruit isn't fast, but you can literally just eat it on the go. So what you do is you can either use your fingers and you just simply dig your nails in and peel off the skin. And this is a great method to peel a mango so that you can give it to your kids. And if you're at home and you do have a knife, you can just slice crosses on the top of the mango, and then you can peel the skin down halfway, not ripping it fully back. And then if you give it to your kids, they can hold it from the bottom part and they can just bite it on the top. And when they get a bit further down, they can just peel it down as well. So you can just peel the mango just like it's a banana, and it's actually quite easy. Once you get a really ripe mango, the skin comes off really easily. You don't even need to use a knife at all. You can just simply rip it off with your bare hands. Another way to eat mangoes is you can take your mango and cut down lengthways with the skin still on, and then move over a little bit, about ½ an inch over, and you just keep doing that all the way around until you get back to the start, and then you simply pull it apart. This is such a beautiful way to present a mango. And then you just take a piece and simply eat it.
Make magic with fruit. Make magic with fruit. Make magic, make magic, make magic with fruit. Just do it, just brew it, just live it. The truth is, the love is just waiting for you now. Just brew it. If you love the fruity living and you want to share the magic, like and share the message and you'll help the fruity mission. Keep the fruity love alive and you'll keep making magic. Help me spread the fruit love with the magical life of fruit.
Next, I'm going to show you a tool that really makes eating a mango very fast. So what you do is you first of all slice the cheeks off very quickly, and this should literally take you seconds, especially when you've had some practice and you're in a rush and you don't have time to waste. And then you get your mango tool, which has these little ridges, and you simply dig it in and then you pull the mango off like this, and it's sliced around the mango. So you can just put that in a bowl and eat it, and it's a very quick way to eat a mango. And as you can see, it took me seconds, and this tool can be used for other fruit as well, like avocado. And I personally really like to prepare my avocado, mango and papaya at the same time using this tool, and just add them all to the bowl and just eat them. And the combination of those three fruits is just beautiful. If you want to eat a balanced diet, I recommend that you put all 5 elements of a healthy diet onto your plate, and fruit is one of those elements, and this plant-based plate is going to help you lose weight as well, and I have a video on that, so go and watch that now if you want to know how to lose weight on a plant-based diet. I also have a full weight loss system called the Leaf System, and I'll leave a link to that in the description below if you want to check that out. And now it's your turn to go and be fruitful.
If